Hello, my name is Renee and I'm with the Shared Spaces team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a 3D object using the Widar app. We'll move through all the steps, including downloading the app, navigating the app layout, scanning an object, and exporting your file. You can skip to relevant sections by clicking on the chapters in the description or by scrubbing to the markers in the timeline. Widar is compatible with Android phones and tablets, as well as iPhones and iPads. On your Android device, go to Google Play. On your Apple device, go to the Apple Store. Search for the Widar app, W-I-D-A-R. Download Widar onto your device. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll be asked to subscribe to Widar. When you first open Widar, you'll land on the community page. This is where Widar users share their creations. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see three icons: the community globe, a plus sign, and a me icon. Click on me. You'll land on the local page. This is your personal library of all the objects you've scanned or created. On the me page, you can edit your profile, you can post your creations, and you can keep track of the creations you post by clicking on Widar Share. The wheel in the top right corner takes you to your settings page. On the settings page, you can do a lot of things. Right at the top, you see Widar Pro. If you click on that blue bar, it shows you what Widar Pro offers you and also the cost per month and per year. On the settings page, you can change your camera, your language, your notifications. You can review the privacy policy and the terms of service, but check out our video on this topic for more information. You can contact Widar, you can follow them on social media, and you can also log out and even delete your Widar account from this page. Starting from the Me page, click on the blue plus sign. You'll see three options: New Scan, Edit 3D Models, and Compose. Click on New Scan. You'll see a big red round record button. But before you start recording, make sure your setup is good so you can walk around the whole object. You'll see a little slider on the right that says slow, middle, and fast. This is the speed at which the camera is going to take pictures of your object. To start scanning, press the red button. You'll see it changes from a circle to a square. Start walking around your object so you can collect pictures of the entire object on all sides. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll see how many photos you're taking. And as you hold your device in your hand, you'll feel it each time the camera takes a picture. You want your lighting to be as even as possible and you want to avoid shadows, but as you can see, sometimes that's difficult to do. So try and stay out of your own light and reduce the shadows so at least they're not on your object. If you're moving too fast or you're going out of focus, you'll be prompted to adjust. When you have enough photos, hit Done. You'll be brought to a window that shows all the photos you've just taken. You can scroll through them, and if you want to delete any, you can do that. One more thing, hit Advanced Settings and choose Erase Floor. Now you're ready to process. Processing in Widar generally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Once your scan has been processed, you will get to see the final product. Voila, your scanned object. I had a perfect little clothespin because I chose Erase Floor in Advanced Settings. If I hadn't chosen that option, this is what my scan would have looked like. You still have options. Go to Edit and look for the crop tool. It can be a little tricky to get used to, but you can get a nice rectangular shape. If you want to clean this up a little more, go to Edit Settings and choose Erase. You can choose your eraser size. If you make a mistake, you can undo it by clicking that backwards arrow on the bottom left. Widar gives you a lot of creative options. In composition, you can do this, and this, and this. When you're ready to export, click Share. You can share your creations with the Widar community, or you can export your file. There are a number of file formats to choose from. When in doubt, choose OBJ. You will need Widar Pro to export your files. There are a lot of ways to export your file. I've chosen email, but check out our video on file transfer for more information. That's it for Widar.